Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 13 in your maths textbook. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers. Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli or tamarind seeds. Students, here you can see that Radhika says, I have picked 24 seeds. Then Gauri says, hooray, I got 47 seeds. Sunil says, here are my 38 seeds. Then Indra says, I got 54 seeds. And last, Vicky says, I think I have collected 42 seeds. Students, here Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli or tamarind seeds. Radhika collected 24 seeds, Gauri collected 47 seeds, Sunil collected 38 seeds, Indra collected 54 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds. Students, you have to write the answers with me in your textbook. Now pay attention here. Dash collected the most seeds. Students, here Radhika collected 24 seeds, Gauri collected 47 seeds, Sunil collected 38 seeds, Indra collected 54 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds. So, who collected the most seeds? Yes, Indra collected most seeds, 54 seeds. So, write down here, Indra collected the most seeds. Now second, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Students, here Sunil has 38 seeds and Vicky has 42 seeds. Then how many more seeds Sunil want to be equal to Vicky? Yes, 4 seeds. So write down in the blank 4. Because Sunil has 38 seeds and Vicky has 42 seeds. So Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Next, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. Students, here Radhika has 24 seeds. If she gets 6 more seeds, then how many total seeds she have? Yes, 24 plus 6, 30. So write down here 30 seeds. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have 30 seeds. Next, how many children have more than 40 seeds? Students, here Radhika has 24 seeds. It is less than 40. Then Gauri has 47 seeds. It is more than 40. So we will tick mark here. Then Sunil has 38 seeds. It is less than 40. Then Indra has 54 seeds. It is more than 40. And last, Vicky has 42 seeds. It is also more than 40. So, how many total students have more than 40 seeds? Yes, 1, 2 and 3. So, 3 children have more than 40 seeds. So, write down here 3 children. Next, dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Students, Who needs 3 more seeds to have 50? Yes, Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Why? Because Gauri has 47 seeds. So Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So write down here. Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Next, Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Students, here Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. So Sunil has how many seeds? 38 seeds. Then who has 2 seeds more than 40? Yes, Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40 because Vicky has 42 seeds. So write down here, Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. Okay students, now turn your page. Dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess best. Students, you have to play this game with your friends by making circles. First you have to guess the dots, then you have to check whether you are correct or not. Students, here Dear says, can you guess the number of dots on me? So you have to guess the number of dots and then you have to count and check whether you are correct or not. Then Ladybug says, and on me. Students, here you also you have to guess the number of dots, then you have to count and check the dots. Okay students, here I am making some circles. Like this, and you have to guess the dots, number of dots, and after that you have to count and check whether you are correct or not. Okay, so play these games with your friends. Now pay attention on next page. Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. Students, here एक दिन इंडिया और साउथ अफ्रीका में गुवाहाटी में स्टूडेंट्स, इन गुवाहाटी इंडिया और साउथ अफ्रीका के बीच वनडे मैच थी और किसकी बैटिंग फर्स्ट थी? इंडिया की बैटिंग. ओके, इंडिया बैटिंग फर्स्ट. धोनी ऑन 96, ओनली 1 बॉल लेफ्ट. धोनी ने कितने रन किए थे? 96 रन और ओनली 1 बॉल लेफ्ट. विल ही कंप्लीट हिज सेंचुरी? एंड लुक एट दिस, व्हाट अ मार्वेलस 6. स्टूडेंट्स, धोनी ने कितने रन किए थे यहाँ पे? 96 रन और सिर्फ एक ही बॉल बाकी था. क्या वो अपनी सेंचुरी कंप्लीट कर पाएगा? एंड लुक एट दिस, व्हाट अ मार्वेलस 6. फिर उसने 6 मारी, छक्का मारा. हैज ही कंप्लीटेड हिज सेंचुरी? स्टूडेंट्स, सेंचुरी बनाने के लिए कितने रन चाहिए? वी नीड 100 runs. ओके, सो fill in the blanks. Dhoni scored 96 plus 6. So 96 plus 6, how many runs? Yes, 102 runs. So Dhoni scored 102 runs. Next, how many runs do these players need to complete a century? Students, यहाँ पे 4 प्लेयर्स है और उन्होंने इतने रन स्कोर किए. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी रन्स do these players need to complete a century? Player 1 runs scored 93. Runs need to complete a century. So students, player 1 को कितने रन चाहिए सेंचुरी कंप्लीट करने के लिए? ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर 100. सेंचुरी किससे होती है? 100 रन से. सो 100 माइनस 93. So 100 minus 93, 7. Okay. So player 1 need 7 runs to complete a century. Then next player 2. Player 1 scored 97 runs. So 100 minus 97. 3. So player 2 needs 3 runs to complete a century. Now player 3. Player 3 scored 89 runs. So how many runs he need to complete a century? Yes. So we will write here 100 minus 89. So 100 minus 89, which answer will come? Yes, 11. 11 runs he need to complete a century. Last player 4. Player 4 scored 99 runs. So how many runs he need to complete a century? Yes, 100 minus 99 is equal to 1. So player 4 need only 1 run to complete a century. Okay students, now your homework is write this exercise of page number 13 and this exercise of page number 14 in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.